This is Igbo Union. This is Igbo Union Antwerpen. Yes, as you can see, this is the cultural group doing what they know how to do best. You know, the government asked us to do a voluntary work, and this is what we are doing. After that, we are busy with the cultural group, with their music. You can see the women are involved, everybody is involved. We are doing the best we can. This is Igbo Union Antwerpen. We are doing our best. Music in the background, the cultural music that we use to wake up the spirits of the ancestors and the ancestors. Yeah, this is it. And this is our cap, the original cap of the Igbo people. Yeah, we are doing it. This is it. We did a voluntary work by the owner of the government, Belgium. And we are through with it, so we are trying to enjoy ourselves, have some little refreshments before we go home.